Hi students, Ms. Smith here. I just wanted to give you a brief overview and review of citing textual evidence at this station and show you an example. Remember that you have several examples in your notebook that you can also refer to. So last week we talked about citing textual evidence and specifically how to cite textual evidence in a certain format known as the Jane Schaefer format, which has a topic sentence, a concrete detail, which is your evidence, and a commentary sentence. So that's our three things there. Again, a TS is the abbreviation. That's your topic sentence, which is like your claim. That's what you're stating. Your CD is your concrete detail. That is your evidence. And then your CM is your commentary, which is again your own words, you kind of explaining these other two things. So let's do a quick example. As you may or may not know, there was a USC football game over the weekend. Sorry, Clemson fans. Although you won as well. It was a pretty close game. But USC played Kentucky, and I'm going to show you a quick little clip, and then I'm going to do the 3 steps based on this clip.
Gets over the football. This crowd knows it's a big one. 3rd down and 10. At the Carolina 42. And they have it done through wide receiver's left side. He's looking right. Now they're pressuring. He stands back in the pocket, throws down the field. Jump ball called by Debo. Run away at the 30. At the 20, trying to get to the pylon. 10-5. Touchdown Carolina. Touchdown Debo Samuel. 58 yards out. We go from nothing to something when you get it to number 1. Oh my goodness.
Essentially he dropped one pass and we didn't really go back to it. And so so we talked about the good players not making good plays. He was not in that comment, but what a great play right.
Okay, so I just realized that is actually from last year's game, but it's okay. We won this game. We did not win last year's game, but there was some important, nice plays, and I'm not redoing this video. So we're going to still continue with this one, and I think Debo is still playing for USC. I don't know. If he's not, he was really good, and he's probably, been drafted now. Okay, moving on. So, my topic sentence here is that Debo Samuel is an important player for USC's offense. That's my claim. That's what I'm stating. That's in my own words. Now, how do I prove this? Okay, that's where I have to find some evidence. Now, this is a video, but I can still quote from a video. But usually, you're reading something and you quote from that. So, one of the things that the announcer in the video said, and I've quoted it here, is we go from nothing to something when you give it to number 1. And that's Debo Samuel's jersey number is number 1. So my evidence here is the sports announcer states we go from nothing to something when you give it to number 1. Now notice the things that I did. I introduced the quote. I gave the quote with quotation marks. I put my source in parentheses and my period at the end. And this is my proof that Debo Samuel is an important player for USC's offense. Then I explain it. This is my commentary. This is my own words about the evidence and the claim. As this shows, Samuel can make important plays in the game that have a big impact on the score. So again, this is my words, kind of summing it all up. But be careful and don't say the exact same thing as your topic sentence in your commentary. That's just boring. We don't need to read the same sentence twice. So that's it. Again, we have our topic sentence. We have our evidence, which is our CD. And then our CM is our commentary.